Today in Kiwanna's kitchen, I am going to show you all how to make delicious chicken parmesan, and I am serving this over pasta. This video is in collab with Martikas, so I want you guys to go on over and check out her channel so that you can see her version of this recipe as well. So without further ado, let's go. Okay guys, we're going to go over all the ingredients that we're going to be using to make our delicious crispy chicken parmesan. I have a total of 2 eggs, a can of pasta sauce, my spices, and also the breadcrumbs that I'm going to be using to coat my chicken with, and also one huge chicken breast that we are going to cut in half. I did cut that off the bone, so we're just going to cut that in half because we want to get this as flat as possible so that our chicken will cook evenly. Now, you don't want to leave it too thick again, guys. You want to make sure that your chicken cooks evenly, okay? So I'm going to get this into a freezer bag, and we are going to flatten it out with my mallet. Not too thin, okay? You don't want to get it to the point to where you can see through your chicken, but you just want to get it flat enough to where, it'll, like I said, cook evenly. So, again, guys, you got to excuse me on my voice. We left out the other day, went somewhere. I came back, and out of nowhere, guys, I just started feeling horrible. It started like where you can feel that itchiness in the back of your throat along with a cough. All of that was going on, and then out of nowhere, it's like I just literally just felt really, really crappy, okay? On top of the cough, guys, my voice is just gone, okay? So please work with me here. So after we flattened our chicken, I got another freezer bag, put 2 eggs in it, and now we're adding the chicken in there, and we're just going to give this a good mix until our chicken is coated with the eggs, okay? So remember, guys, we're doing everything in this bag. You don't need to get separate plates. You don't need to get another bowl for the eggs. Everything is pretty much being done in this freezer bag, okay? So now that we got the chicken coated with the eggs, we are now going in with our spice. Now, this spice right here, guys, I don't know if you have heard of that spice, but it is the bomb, okay? It is really good. It really makes your meat or whatever you use that on taste really, really good. If you guys haven't heard of that or would like to try it, I will post a link down below for you guys to try it. So I did go in with some poultry seasoning as well. So we're going to give that a good mix to make sure that the spice is evenly distributed so that it will coat all of our chicken as well, just like with the eggs. And now we're adding in the breadcrumbs. Now I went in with about a cup and a half of the breadcrumbs just to make sure that my chicken would be nice and coated just like that right there. Look at that. It's perfect. So I did get a cookie sheet that I sprayed with oil, okay, olive oil. And then we're going to spray the top of the chicken as well, okay, because you don't want your chicken to dry out. You want to make sure it stays nice and moist, even though it's in the breadcrumb mixture. So now we're going to get this into the oven. I have my oven set to 400, and we're going to bake this for about 15 minutes, okay, 15 minutes. Now, this video is in collab with Martika Sutton, guys. I want you to go on over and check out her version of this chicken parmesan recipe as well, her version of her chicken parmesan chicken recipe as well. And these are both quick and easy 30-minute meals. And also, guys, she has a lot of other great content for you guys to check out. She has mukbangs on her channel. She have day in the life videos on her channel, just pretty much showing you what she do throughout her day as a stay-at-home mom. She is the sweetest person ever. And guys, just go on over, check her channel out, show her some love, and just support her, guys, because again, we're just 2 moms out here just doing what we do and what we love to do, and that's cooking. So now that we got the chicken out of the oven, again, we baked it for 15 minutes. We're going on with our pasta sauce and then our cheese. And then we're going to get this back into the oven and let it bake for another 10 minutes, okay? Quick and easy meal, okay? Quick and easy. And I did cook my pasta when I got this into the oven, guys. I did cook pasta because we're going to put this over some pasta, and I had that cooking while the chicken was in the oven. Again, guys, we want to try to get everything done within the 30 minutes. So now I'm going in with the pasta because our chicken is done, and look at that, guys. It turned out perfect. You guys have to give this chicken parmesan recipe a try. Again, guys, excuse my voice and my stumblingness or whatever, but this cold got me going through it. So again, guys, don't forget to go on over and check out Martika's son as well to see her version of this. So if you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care.